the Naval Air Station in Corpus Christi. Been down there before, stayed the weekend. Don't want to do it again. I'm going to hustle. Try and make it there by Friday. Well, I'm going to try and make it there by Thursday night and deliver Friday morning. That's the plan. We'll see. There's lots of weather down there. It's currently snowing in New Orleans right now. Snow and ice, and they've got the first ever winter weather warnings and stuff down there. It's crazy. It iced and snowed all the way down to Corpus. So I mean, it's nasty down that way. I'm gonna have to go as far west as I can before I go down south. It wants me to run through Louisiana and Alabama and all that stuff. Nah, we're not doing that. Not messing that. I messed with ice and snow and everything all the way up to Dover. I ain't doing that again. So we'll stay west as far as we can and then drop down south. But yeah, the plan is to get it unloaded Thursday or Friday. Get there Thursday night and unload it Friday. So we're gonna hustle. We're gonna do it. Morning from Tom's Brook, Virginia. Drove as far as we could last night, left a little time on the clock, but anything further south of here, not much out there, so stopped a little short last night. The plan today is to make it down to, it's almost Tuscaloosa. It's further than Birmingham, but not quite as far as Tuscaloosa down in Alabama today. I've been watching road conditions. I think I'm okay there. I'll have to watch it. Google doesn't show any delays along the route, so fingers crossed. We'll do what we can. But yeah, we stopped in Tom's Brook, Virginia last night. It's cold. It's 5 degrees right now. Diesel heater worked like a champ. Was not cold at all. Was comfortable all night on level 2. So kicked it up a notch from what I usually do, just because it's so cold outside. Yeah, but it worked like a champ. Loving it. All right, let's get on the road. Let's head towards Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Check in with you guys on the while. See ya. As far as I know, I-10 down in bottom part of Louisiana and Alabama still shut down. As far as I know, I think I'm gonna go right around it. I'm all the way down into Louisiana at this point. There's not a drop of snow on the ground. Roads are completely clear. I think I'm going to be able to go all the way around it and not have to mess with any of it. So keep your fingers crossed. We're still heading south. Still heading towards Corpus. Check in with you guys here in a little while. See you. All right, so Google dropped me in on I-10 westbound, just on the other side of all the nasty stuff that's closed and shut down. Traffic is insane going eastbound on I-10. There's trucks back behind me. They've been shut down for 3 days. They don't have the equipment. They don't have the salt, the plows, and all the stuff that's needed to clear those roads. This is what they call a 60-year storm down there. This is the most they've seen in 60 plus years. So they're getting their asses handed to them back behind me. I'm glad I'm around it. We're headed towards Corpus Christi. Gonna make it on time. I'm gonna deliver this tomorrow morning. I should stop about 2 hours short of Corpus Christi tonight. I should be able to deliver this in the morning and be home for dinner tomorrow night. So that's the plan. All right, we'll check in with you guys here in a little while. See you.